This wooden turntable offers a generous 18-inch surface, so a full assortment of spices, condiments, or shared dishes stays within easy reach at the table or in a cabinet. The smooth rotating mechanism turns effortlessly once the base screw is properly loosened, making it simple for everyone to access what they need without passing bottles around. Crafted from solid acacia wood, it feels sturdy in daily use and brings a warm, natural look that suits both casual and more polished kitchen spaces. The low-profile design keeps items stable while still clearing most shelf lips, so it works well inside cupboards as well as on countertops or dining tables. Care is straightforward with hand washing and occasional mineral oil, which helps preserve the rich wood grain and prevents the surface from drying out. Because it arrives fully assembled and thoughtfully packaged, it is ready to use almost immediately and also makes a practical, attractive housewarming gift.